นชม
Hello, good morning parents and good morning students. สวัสดีค่ะ Today teacher Bibi is going to teach you about the art of the cup, how we make the telephone through the paper cup. Students, this week our topic is communication, and communication we use many kinds of communication: television, telephone, and handphone and mobile phone. But teacher Bibi is going to use the paper cup, how to make that telephone for the small kid through the paper cup. Okay, how we use the paper cup, and like the paper cup of the coffee cup and like the ice cream cup, but make from the paper. Okay, so you don't be throw in the dustbin, you wash it and you clean it, and then you can use like the stuff of the telephone. The small kid play the toy telephone. As if student is at classroom, in the classroom teacher Bibi teach, but is the COVID situation, you stay at home, so teacher Bibi teach here the student how we use the paper cup make a telephone for the small students. Okay, students, you need this one 2 cups. Okay, no 1 cup, 2 cups, because one is speaker and one is the receiver. Okay, we have a listening up from this 1 cup, and this one we have a speak. Okay, so 2 cups, students, we need 2 cups, and we need some beads. Okay, we need some beads, small beads, and teacher Bibi teach 1 thread and like with strings. Okay, strings teacher Bibi need this one, because this is like the we have a while speaking voice, our voice is we can hear from this 1 string. Okay, students, and 1 sharp needles and sharp pencil or pen, anything you can use, because why we use this is we use here in the cup. We make the small hole in the bottom. We will make small hole in the bottom from like this one. Student, can you see? Teacher Bibi have a make 1 already, and you use this was sharp needles and anything 1 bowl, this one bottom, and another one you make same like this one. You make some hole inside in the bottom, and you make a 2. Can you see? We have a in the bottom we have a 2 hole small one. Okay, so this one we have a use this string, we have a make this string, we have a use in this bottom, and we have a make the telephone 1 side. Okay, teacher Bibi use this one, show to the student how we use this one string. We go to the hole this one inside. Teacher Bibi have a use this one. Student, can you see this one? Teacher Bibi have a take this one. Can you see here? The string is inside this one in this cup, and we use these beads, and you can, if you don't want to use, you can tie it. Okay, you can small and tie it. It will not go to outbound, this will be tied inside. Okay, tie this thread and fix it inside. Okay, students, I have made already 1 set for you. This is only I need the stuff show you, but teacher Bibi has already 1 make for the students. Okay, can you see here? Inside have a bottom, we have a 2 holes, and we have a tie it inside. Can you see? The inside we have a tie it, fix it, so it cannot go to loose, and this is tie it, we have a fix it. Okay, and the 1 person he is the speaker, and 1 is the listener. Okay, listening here, so you can play with your brother, sister, or your mother, your father. You speak it, and you can play alone also. Okay, hello, you put in the mouth 1 and in the ear, you can listen always. Okay, hello. But if you use with your friends on the distance, but not long distance, short distance. Okay, short distance you talk with your friends. Your friend is put in the ear, he will be hear you, and 1 you speaking. Okay, hello, how are you? So your friend can hear you, your brother or sister can hear you. This is art of the paper cup for the students. We always do this activity art in classroom, but now students at home and teacher Bibi cannot do with the students, cannot play with the student, and we cannot do this activity together. So teacher will show you here. So student, you can do at home. Your parent can find this cup for you, and this cup is very easy. It's ice cream cup or like the coffee and the tea cups from the paper, made from the paper, and you can use this. And you need one string. It is like this one, and if you can tie, you tie it. If you cannot tie, you can use the beads inside. You can fix it, tie it, okay, and then you use easily. You can talk with your friend like the telephone. This is communication of the telephone, communication through the telephone. Student, this is very easy. Your parent can help you, and your mom and your dad, okay, and you can easily make, but don't make long distance, okay, the short distance, and you can hear, okay, hello, can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you. So you can play. This is very interesting and very good job for the students you do at home with the parents, okay. So thank you students for watching this video. I hope student and the parent understand this art, and you please try at home and then show teacher Bibi on the line. I want to see how you can do good job, okay. So teacher Bibi going to stop this video here. Have a nice day. Stay at home. Stay safety. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ